The journey begins here. Thousands of tons of raw sugarcane arrive, carried in a long convoy of trucks.
Each truck carries the potential for sweetness, harvested directly from the fields, rumbling into the unloading bay.
The first step, unloading. A task of immense scale and precision, performed by a gigantic mechanical crane.
Powerful cranes lift the raw material, beginning its transformation from humble stalk to the potential for sweetness.
It's fed into the system, dropped onto a massive conveyor belt, where the initial processing begins with thunderous impact. Next, a thorough cleaning. Every single stalk is purified with powerful, high-pressure water jets to remove impurities. Removing all impurities is crucial for the quality of the final product, revealing the clean cane beneath the grime.
Preparation continues as the clean cane is now ready for the shredder, a machine of intimidating power and speed.
Shredding breaks down the tough exterior, preparing the cane for juice extraction in a visceral, slow-motion display.
This fibrous pulp makes it easier to release the sweet juice within, creating a river of shredded material.
Now for the heart of the process, extraction. The shredded fiber is fed into a series of massive crushing mills. Incredible pressure is applied, squeezing every last drop of sweet, raw juice from the fibrous pulp. The raw juice is collected, a flowing river of liquid, ready for the next crucial stage of purification.
Nothing is wasted in this process. The leftover fiber, called bagasse, will be used to power the factory.
A perfect separation of liquid sweetness and fibrous fuel, showcasing the incredible efficiency of the separation process. The raw juice is cloudy and full of impurities. Now it is time for clarification in enormous tanks. Lime is carefully added to the juice. This crucial step helps the impurities to clump together and settle.
Heat accelerates the chemical reaction, separating the clear juice from the solid impurities within the tank. Over time, the impurities sink to the bottom, forming a thick layer of mud and leaving clear juice above. The clear juice is carefully drawn off from the top of the tank, leaving the waste behind for disposal.
The juice is mostly water. The next goal is evaporation, using a colossal machine to create a thick syrup.
Boiling under a vacuum allows water to evaporate at a lower temperature, protecting the sugar from burning.
This efficient process removes a vast amount of excess water, which concentrates the sugar in the juice. As the water leaves, the juice transforms into a thick, golden syrup, becoming visibly more and more viscous.
This concentrate syrup is now ready for the final, magical step.
The syrup enters the vacuum pans, where the sugar crystals will finally be born under carefully controlled conditions.
Tiny seed crystals are added to the supersaturated syrup, giving the dissolved sugar a foundation to grow upon.
Under these carefully controlled temperature and pressure conditions, the sugar crystals begin to grow and multiply. This thick, heavy mixture of sugar crystals and remaining syrup is called massicrete, a gritty, dense substance. The massicrete is now ready. It's time to separate the valuable sugar crystals from the dark molasses.
This is the centrifuge, the most satisfying part of the entire journey, where the final transformation will occur.
The machine spins at incredibly high speeds, generating an immense force that will separate liquid from solid.
This centrifugal force flings the liquid molasses outwards, separating it from the solid sugar crystals in stunning fashion.
And just like that, in a magical moment of transformation, the familiar, pure white sugar is finally revealed. The raw sugar, now purified, is scraped from the walls and collected for the final steps of drying and grading. The sugar is still damp and must be dried completely in a massive, rotating rotary dryer to prevent clumping.
Dry air gently tumbles the crystals, removing the last traces of moisture in a beautiful, sparkling cascade.
Finally, the completely dry sugar is graded for size and consistency on a complex, vibrating screen sifter.
Vibrating screens sort the crystals by size, ensuring a perfectly uniform quality for every single package.
The final product is a pure, dry, and perfectly uniform river of diamonds, ready for the final step: packaging. The final stage: packaging. An automated process ensures the utmost speed, precision, and perfect hygiene.
Each bag is precisely weighed, filled with the sugar, and then hermetically sealed shut by the automated machines.
A constant stream of finished product moves along the conveyor, ready for consumers in every corner of the world.
The bags are then stacked with robotic precision, prepared for the final stages of storage and global distribution.
From a humble plant to a pure, perfect crystal, this has been the incredible